Hello students, welcome back to my channel, Botany for NEET. Okay, so let us do one more question asked in the recent NEET 2024 exam. The question is, the lactose present in the growth medium of bacteria is transported to the cell by the action of permease, polymerase, beta-galactosidase, acetylase. So we know that in prokaryotes, there is a level of gene regulation that occurs at transcription level. What basically is transcription? We know DNA. When it gets converted into RNA, this process is called transcription. And the enzyme that plays a role in this is RNA polymerase. Okay, and RNA gets translated into proteins, and that process is called translation, where we require here tRNA, ribosomes, right? Okay, so now this question is related to regulation of gene expression, and basically they're talking about the lac operon. Now, what actually is an operon? It is where a cluster of structural genes are under control of single promoter. That is the operon concept, where there are several structural genes that are under a control of single promoter. Okay. Now, if you see the lac operon, in the operon, you have three structural genes basically like Z, Y, and A. Then you have a promoter region. Within the promoter region, you have an operator sequence. Then you have an inhibitor, and for this inhibitor, there is a separate promoter. Now, what does this inhibitor do? It codes for a protein. See, basically, what is this operon? It is a sequence of DNA. Okay. Now, it codes for repressor molecule. I'm sorry. So it codes for a repressor molecule where this repressor has very high affinity to bind to operator sequence. Okay. And promoter is the site where RNA polymerase comes and binds. Okay. Now these structural genes are transcribed only when the RNA polymerase binds to the promoter and it allows the transcription. Now we know that any gene gets transcribed into RNA, and this RNA codes for protein. So, what does this LAC, Z, Y, and A, which are known as the structural genes, what do they encode for? So, LAC Z gene, it codes for beta galactosidase. LAC Y gene, it codes for an enzyme called permease. And LAC A gene codes for trans acetylase. What is the function of each of these three proteins encoded by LAC Z, Y, and A? If you see LAC Z gene, it goes for beta galactosidase. This beta galactosidase is an enzyme that converts a disaccharide lactose into glucose and galactose. Disaccharide means a it's a disaccharide made up of two sugar units basically, where one sugar unit is glucose, the other is galactose. So it breaks it down into glucose and galactose. This is done by beta galactosidase. What is the function of permease? It allows the galactose molecule along with glucose, that is basically your lactose, which is a disaccharide, into the cells. So permease, as the name itself suggests, it allows, permits the lactose molecules into the cells. And the function of transacetylase is actually not known, and some say that it plays a role in detoxification. Okay, that means removal of certain toxic molecules. So what is the function of permease? It allows the entry of lactose. So what's the question? The lactose present in the growth medium of bacteria is transported to the cell. So how actually the cells first take up the lactose? By the action of this permease. And always please remember that this lac operon, though it is on and off system, but still there will be continuous production or synthesis of beta galactosidase, permease, and transacetylase at a very minimum level. Okay, very low levels, the operon will be on, will be switched on, so that there will be basal or minimum amount of beta galactosidase, permease, and transacetylase. So first, the permease allows the lactose to be transported inside the cell. Then beta galactosidase will break it down into glucose and galactose, where this glucose can be utilized for various metabolic reactions by the bacterium. Okay. So is it beta galactosidase? No, this is wrong answer. Acetylase? No. And polymerase. Polymerase role is to add units to form a polymer. Now, for example, DNA gets converted into RNA. Here, this process is called transcription and it is catalyzed by the enzyme RNA polymerase. It helps in adding the nucleotides. DNA polymerase is an enzyme which helps in replication of DNA, right? So even polymerase is not the right option. So the correct answer for this is, sorry, I'm sorry, it's not permease. It's not polymerase. So what's the right answer? Permease. The lactose present in the growth medium of bacteria is transported to the cell by the action of permease. Beta galactosidase helps in cleavage of your disaccharide into glucose and galactose. Polymerase, it plays a role basically in replication or transcription. If it is DNA polymerase, it plays a role in replication. RNA polymerase plays a role in transcription. Okay. So the correct option for this question is option 1, permease. I hope you understood the answer for this question. If there are any doubts, please feel free to comment it down below. Share it with your friends. And if you like this content, please like it and subscribe my channel. Enjoy the process of learning. Bye bye.